Kan kabajamtoota hojjetattoota qophii kiyyaa egaa arraan tana qophii ammaan dura eegalee ture waa'ee eksiistii egzaamiidhaa ministeerri barnootaa baasii kanarra gaafilee takka waliin laalla. Egaa gaafiin ammaan dura isinii gallakkifnee turre baay'een isaanii koomentii isin kennattan baay'ee bareedaadha. Hin mul'atu waan jettanii jirtaniif gaafilee san tokko tokkoon akka mul'atutti arraan tana irra deebiin isinii bareechee isinii gallakkise jechuudha. Har'a gaafilee waliin laallaa deebisaa guyyaa biraa waliin hojjennaa jechuudha. እንደናችሁ ውድ ቤተሰቦች እንደናችሁ እንኳን አዲስ ቻናላችን ወደ ከማያ በተና መጣችሁ ነው። ይሄው ዛሬው ፕሮግራማችን ስለ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ጉዳይ ነው የምናወራ። ኤግዚት ኤግዛም የባለፈው ተፈተነን ሞዴል ኤግዛሙን ሁሉም አብሮን እንሰራለን። እንደ መጨረሻችንን አብሮን እንላለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ እንጀምር። ይገላ all business organizations need finance. Amongst the different sources of finance, which one can be considered as the least source of finance for entrepreneurial venture? A. Permanent capital. B. Borrowing. C. Asset finance. D. Working capital. In which of the social responsibility approach manager chose not to be socially responsible? A. Defensive. B. Obstructionist. C. Accommodative. D. Reactive. The third one, which one of the stakeholders is highly concerned with financial statement analyzed to protect their job security? A. Government. B. Manager. C. Investor. D. Employer. The fourth one, the process of evaluating market segment attractiveness and selecting a feasible one is termed as dash. A. Business market. B. Market research. C. Market segment. D. Target market. From the data given below, compose the arithmetic mean for the statistical distribution table. Gaafilee armaan gadii kana statistical distribution isaa itti haasanii jechuudha. Akkaataan inni itti hojjetamu class mark when class mark is 1 up to 5, 6 up to 10, 11 up to 5, 16 up to 20. Frequency when the frequency distribution for 3, 1, 2. That means tokko hanga sadii afur yoo ta'e, jaha hanga 12 sadii yoo ta'e, 10 takka hanga 15 takka yoo ta'e, 16 hanga 22 jechuudha. Frequency isaanii kaanna deebisaa isaa as keessaa dalagineetiin inni argannaa jechuudha. Which one of the following is not the advantage of personal computer? A. Lack business operation effectiveness. B. Make our life more productive. C. Could cause us to lose some of our basic skills. D. Take away some of the boring tasks that we have to perform. Gavin in the teenager, which one of the following source of recruitment is less costly than the others? A. Employer referral. B. Advertisement. C. Job listing. D. Using agency. The shift toward a more integrated and interdependent world economy is dash. A. Ethical theory. B. Localization. C. Standardization. D. Globalization. The shift toward a more integrated and interdependent world economy is dash. A. Ethical theory. B. Localization. C. Standardization. D. Globalization. Dash is the unorganized raw fact and figure. A. Data. B. Snapshot. C. Report. D. Information. From the following alternative, identify the component not involved in downward communication. A. Indoctrination. B. Manipulation. C. Job instruction. D. Job rationale. The other one is an investor wanted to invest in A, B, C, and D business operation. The expected return on each investment given low, medium, high market demand. Consider information for the investment condition given in the following payoff table and identify which is investor's choice if max decision making approach is used. This is የምንጠቀመው ሜተዳችን ማክስ ዲሲዥን ሜኪንግ አፕሮች ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። እዚህ ማለት ነው ኤ ኦልተርኔቲቭ ቢ ኦልተርኔቲቭ ቢ ሲ ኦልተርኔቲቭ ሲ ዲ ኦልተርኔቲቭ ዲ ይላል። Second one is the ability of firm to readily accommodate demand change by changing product item and volume is known as the rational. A, timeline. B, competitiveness. C, flexibility. D, cost leadership. In the teenage, a business enterprise wants to run printing press service and operation cost is there. I'm going to set up the press and machinery needed to print and print paperback book. After setup, it costs the 5 per book printed and bound. As soon as the business starts its operation and printed, therefore, that will be the operation average cost. Kanagam calculate bonus in gaafuma isin agarsiisuu malee akkamitti akka inni hojjetamu waliin ilaalla fakkeenya isaatii fi eesarraa akka beeku hundi isaatu jechuudha. Deebisaan isaa asuma keessaa filannaa jechuudha. Which of the following is not valuable in our communication? A, subordinated achievement. B, performance achieved by higher official. C, unsolved job-related problem of worker. D, job-related feeling and attitude of worker. Identify the criteria which is not considered in judging manageability of individual at managerial position. A, approach employee. B, ethnic background. C, process skill. D, decision making. Which one of the following is used in finding the initial feasible solution of transportation problems? A, Vogel observation. B, simplex approach. D, stepping stone path. D, modified solution. In which one of the following organizational goal is using external source of recruitment considered as effective for organization? A, to reduce orientation and training costs. B, to gain new knowledge and experience. C, to develop loyal employees. D, to increase existing employees' morale. Which one of the following is not the negative result of inadequate control of inventory? A, the low sales volume. B, customer dissatisfaction. C, low inventory cost. D, production bottleneck. Which one of the which type of data can be gathered by interview technique? A, published data. B, secondary data. C, tertiary data. D, primary data. Which one is not among the reasons why many people engage in conducting research regardless of its difficulty? A, to be respected and promoted. B, government direction. C, to get quickly uses consequential benefit. D, employment condition. Egaa kabajamtoota hordoftoota chaanaala keenya barnoonni irraa qabadhee isiniin dhiyaadhe kanuma fakkaata. Torbeetti aanu barnootuma kanaan wal fakkaatu deebisaa gaafilee kanaatiif hunda isaaniitu moodel egzaamis dabalatee manaajimentii bizinas manaajimentii wajjin kan wal qabatu guutuu isaa qophii isaa qabadhee hanga walitti deebinutti